Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Lorie Mattson on from Hole in the Wall Beads to Stash. My past purchases from her have mostly been filigrees and stuff, but I don't think I got, if any, too many of them today. So let's see what's going on in here. This is a vintage pearl pendant. Ooh. That is awesome. I think I can't tell if it's pearl or shell, but either way it's really cool. Oh my gosh, it's gonna take me a very long time to use this because it's so awesome. It's probably gonna sit around for a while. It's gorgeous. I would think maybe hand linked or some silk or something, silk would be fun for this. Oh wow, it's really gorgeous, and you can't tell, but it's the nacre on the shell or the pearl is really rainbow. Looks great. That's gorgeous. Next, I bought a necklace, a vintage necklace. I can't remember. I think she said it was from Iran. Iran? How do you say that? Iran, maybe. But it's really cool, and it makes a lot of noise, but I don't think I'll repurpose this. I think I'm just gonna wear it. It's so gorgeous. And this is handmade. I mean, these are all hand fitted into this brass piece. Look at the patina on that. This is so cool. Yeah, there's no way I could take this apart. That would be sacrilegious to me because it's so gorgeous. Yeah, this will just go in my room in my jewelry collection, and I'll wear it out. If I ever did anything, I would maybe put a clasp on the back or lengthen this so I can make it longer. But yeah, that's really gorgeous. I love it. Love it. Next we have a pendant it's a pin, but I'm gonna make it into a pendant. It's so cool. You guys know I love stuff with faces on it. It's like a mid-century modern face pendant, but pin. Actually, I could wear this just as a pin, but I think I would figure out a way to make it a pendant. So neat. I love it. I love it. Next we have like a charm collection. See. We've got some, I don't know, these mollusks, clamshells, I don't know, but they're cool, and I don't have any that look like that. Very neat. We've got, is it a little frog? It's a little tiny frog. It's a little baby frog. It's so cute. It's a little stamping. We have some really cool sand dollars. You can see these with some turquoise, or not turquoise, but like that aqua color that I really like. Pale aqua. Very beachy. We have some little palm trees. We have a couple different palm trees. Look at those. So much detail on those. Wow. That was really cool. I would definitely want to bring that out with some patina. Oh my gosh, little lizards. Those are so cool. Perfect for earrings. Perfect earrings. And I know they're like, this is like a tropical mix, but I would probably make those into southwestern earrings. And we have some palm tree stampings. More frogs, more palm trees, and then a couple dolphins. These are cute. Some more frogs. I actually just got some frogs too and sold some in my sale, but they didn't look like this. And some more teeny frogs. And then what is this? Oh, a cute little flamingo, and it's really detailed too. Look at all the like etching in there. That's great. This is a cute little mix. I really like those lizards. Next I got another mix. These are, I think, wood beads. So we have a zebra. He's drilled top to bottom. Very nice. We have a giraffe. So cute. Giraffes are some of my favorite animals. And tiger, possibly. Very rudimentary tiger. The only reason I'm thinking tiger is because of stripes. And then I think, I can't tell if these are wood or bone or coconut or something. And then a bunch of hishis and then a large bead. So that's a cute little mix. I really like that. I think, and I don't know if I'm going to say this right, but I think I saw somebody post in the comments when I bought these with that they were, is it taga nut? But she didn't know what they were, but I just thought they were really cool. They're just some rings, so you can make it into a pendant by putting in a head pin there. Love the different colors. So we have this lime green, we have a red, like a maroon, purple, almost like an eggplant color, brown, another red, and a bright red. So I don't know if I'll use those together or separately. I just thought they were really neat. A strand of glass bead chips and a really neat seafoam green blue. Very nice. This gorgeous flower, which I have no idea what I'm going to do with, but I really loved it. I guess I could put rhinestones in there, but that's not really me. I don't know. I might just use it like this, and at some point maybe patina it, but it's just really cool. It's really cool. And then, last but not least, I think these are some beads. Some tiger beads. Aren't those awesome? I love animals, so I love animal shaped stuff. So some cool tiger beads. I think they're clay. Aren't those neat? And then one last thing, I received a card from Lorie, and she hand drew a picture on the front for me. I just thought she's such a good artist. She drew me these roses. She said she didn't have any more colorful note cards, so she drew me a sketch. Isn't that wonderful? I couldn't draw this to save my life. So thank you, Lorie. I just thought that was so sweet. But my favorite things from this haul are absolutely this necklace. Oh, the pin. Forgot about the pin. The necklace, the pin, and this pearl shell pendant. So let me know what your favorite thing was. Thank you again to Lorie. I hope everybody has a fantastic rest of their day, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.